Shandong Mainlight Electronic Technology Co., Ltd. has 16 years of experience in the production and sales of beauty machines with R&D, technology, sales, after-sales, production and warehousing departments to provide customers with high-quality products. High-precision electronic components have particularly high requirements for the environment. The negative ion air purification system in the dust-free workshop equipment can reduce the concentration of suspended particles in the air and make the production environment cleaner. Our factory adopts international standard dust-free workshop, more guaranteed quality and fiber life. Engineers wearing anti-static suits enter the work area. Product delivery through dust-free windows. The engineer enters the air shower room for a full-body air shower. Take the product out of the dust-free window and start working. The machine has undergone a 24-hour aging test before delivery, and the quality is very guaranteed. Our after-sales service is very perfect 2-year warranty, lifelong maintenance. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.